Imagine this. What if you made money just by reading? In this video, I am going to share with you how you can earn $200 to $1,000 just by reading online. Now you might be wondering how this is possible and whether you should keep watching, so let me break it down for you real quick. First of all, this strategy is 100% free worldwide, which means you can do this method regardless of what country you're in. Second, you don't need any special skills to do this, you don't need any investment to get started. All you have to do is watch the video until the end and don't skip through so you don't miss any of the important details. This is a mistake a lot of beginners make. They usually skip through to the end of the video and miss out on the information, so they end up not making a lot of money, or even not at all. Lastly, I want you to look at this. You can earn a lot of money just by using this method. Imagine making $1,000 in just 40 to 60 minutes. And if you're going to calculate that, $1,000 divided by 60 minutes, that shows you can make about $16 per minute. So I want you to ask yourself now, how do you think earning $1,000 in just about an hour make an impact in your life? I promise you by the end of this video, you will learn all of the things that you need to know about this method and start earning money online. You will see how much you can earn using this method, and by that time, you'll thank yourself for not skipping through this video. So be sure to watch until the end. Tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Now let's get started. Let's go on to this website called voices.com. When you land on this page, it looks like this. This website has been featured on Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, and a lot more leading brands in the world. This website is legit and they are going to pay you. You can receive your payment via PayPal money, bank transfer, and a lot of other ways that you can cash out your money. On this website, they are going to give you a lot of projects to do, and later I'll be showing you what project you can do so you can earn more money. Once you select the project that you like, they will give you the materials, the script, the templates, and basically all that you're going to need, so all you have to do is record yourself reading. They will pay you based on how long the projects are. You can do each in 20 minutes, you can do it in an hour, or even just 15 minutes. There are unlimited jobs for you to choose from. Sure, there are a lot of websites that offer these types of projects, but they always turn out to be inconsistent. Some websites offer you work right now, but not tomorrow. But on voices.com, they are consistent in giving you projects for you to work on, and they have many categories of projects that you can do. Now you may be wondering, what if I don't have any microphone? You don't need to worry at all. All you need is your basic headset or even just your Android phone or iPhone, and you can directly record your voice on your device. You don't need to show your face and reveal your identity because all they need is your voice, so they can use this on their audiobooks, on their TVs, on their videos, and many more. And that is how we get to earn money from them. So let's go back to the website and sign up for a free account. I'll also show you how to get verified, get approved, how to apply for a project, and show you which projects could get you the most amount of money. First, click on the sign up button right here and this will pop up. As you can see, sign up for free. You will be given two options here, but I want you to pick work as a voice actor, since we will be the ones to read the script they'll be providing and record. Now input your full name, email, phone number, username, password, and click on these boxes right here and hit the Get Started button. Simple and quick. Once you log in, you'll find the many job categories. For example, there's e-learning, explainer video, cartoon, and a lot more jobs that you can do. Right now, I'm going to show you the categories that give you the most money, and again, these jobs are available worldwide. The number one category that you should pick is audiobooks. Second is explainer video, and the third recommended category is video games. These three categories will give you the most amount of money on this website. Let's try it out. We're going to select audiobooks. Here are some examples of people working from all over the world and making money on voices.com. Some are guys and some are girls, so there is something for everyone. Here you'll find the language section so you can search for the languages that you want to read and do a voiceover on. As I said, this is available worldwide. There are a lot of opportunities on this website, and all you have to do is start reading online and you will surely get paid a lot of money depending on how many hours you work. Personally, I recommend you to select jobs that have 60 minutes of working time so that you can earn $1,000 every time you finish a job. Now I'm going to show you some more of the opportunities that are in store for you. Once you log in with your account, you can see here in the back office that there are even more jobs for you to choose from. Continue scrolling down and you'll find the list just goes on. For example, right now, there are over 200 jobs that you choose from, and every single day they refresh this page and post several more jobs. Like I said earlier, there will always be something for you. Remember what I told you, the one most recommended category to do is audiobook. So let me show you an example of a job in that category so you'll also get to see how much you can possibly earn too. As you can see here, they are paying $1,000 compared to the other jobs. There's $100, $125, and more. When you want to do an audiobook job, they will give you the script, and all you have to do is read and record yourself using your Android phone or iPhone. And once you complete the job, you get to earn $200 to $1,000. The next best category to do is video game. This is an example of a script for that category. It will show you the client, the descriptions, and directions. This is a script that you can record your voice and read it out loud. Like I said, this is really simple and easy to do. So this is how you can earn money on this website, voices.com. You don't need to have any special skills or investments to do this, and this is also available worldwide for free. All you need is your voice, the script, and your mobile device to record, and you're all set. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today.